Let me give you a quick overview of our latest live stream, which is all about creating charts in Drupal CMS. For the whole video, we focus on the charts module, which is a powerful module that gives you an API for creating charts in Drupal. And you can use a bunch of charting libraries just by installing a sub module. However, there was one module which isn't part of charts, but integrates with charts, and that is called Apex Charts. And I focused on this one because I was actually contacted by the maintainer on the day of the live stream, and he recommended to look at this charting library. So I quickly had to shuffle things around in my live stream run sheets and cover this module. And it was worth it because Apex Chart is a pretty powerful charting library. Now, we start things off by setting it up using Composer, and there is a bit of configuration involved just to make sure you are downloading the library correctly. And then once everything is set up, you can test everything out using the example page. And this gives you a nice page where you can just test your charts and make sure everything is working. Then we start things off by adding in custom charts to the dashboard. Now, this is the standard Drupal CMS dashboard. And you can see just by adding in a few charts, it really makes it pop. Don't like to say that, but yeah, it does. It does make it pop. Now, these two charts, which are installs, were just added in as blocks. But this project status chart is a dynamic pie chart, which is powered by views. It is grouping a vocabulary and displaying that information as a chart. And that is one of the powerful things about the charts module. You can easily create custom charts just by using views. Once you've configured everything, you should see a nice big chart in the preview section. Then we used views again to create a page with a custom chart. And this data is coming from a custom content type called data, and we are pulling in a high and low value. So the content type has two fields, which is high and low. Then we took a look at how to add charts directly to a field, and that is through a specific field type for charts. So if I go to content and then click on edit, I have added in a field called charts, and this allows us to customize the data, which you can do so from here. And then you can click on preview and see a preview of your actual chart. And if you have CSV data, you can easily import that CSV data and populate the data section. And then once everything has been set up, if you click on save and then view your page, you should see a chart getting rendered through that field. So if you want to learn how to create custom charts in Drupal CMS and Drupal core as well, check out our latest live stream called How to Create Charts in Drupal CMS. And as usual, I have added in links and chapter markers. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment.